All right, ladies and gentlemen, Leaf MultiGraphics arrived not too long ago. So here's our first crack at it. This is number one. We're going to do 2 boxes at a time, serial number style. So keep an eye out, guys. We're going to try to keep going. I know we still have exotic and optichrome basketball that is out there that we'll be eventually offering. So in time, we'll get through some more Leaf at a nice price, man. That's the way to go. So we've got number 2. There's just a couple spots left at that $39.99, and there's another one up there right now, signature series. I'll point out checklist style. So you got some great upside there. 10 names per spot. It's only a 15 spot break, so good chance of hitting. And every card is a 1 of 1. Plus they put in Bill Russell autograph cards in this one, so that's a very, very interesting potential right there in that signature series. So all right, and this one, let's go ahead and randomize. We got serial numbers in. I like doing the numbers. I like doing multiple randoms anyway, so that's what we'll do. 3 plus 1, and this one 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th time. All right, so here's your numbers mixed up from 4 to 5. Boom. All right, make that bigger. All right, nice. And our 10 spots, Alex to Don. 3 and 5 more, so 8 here. Boom. All right, so Michael to Alex. Good luck, everybody. Boom. All right, so your serial numbers. I'm going to sort it by serial numbers this time. It might be easier for us to all look up and be like, oh yeah, I got that number. So there they are now up on the screen. So Alex with 0, Lee 1, Wyatt 2, Cynthia 3, Michael 4, Alex 5, Ralph 6, David 7, Michael 8, and Don 9. Pretty heavy case. I think they might be all one-touched. Hoping. All right, guys, empty case. All right, so only 10 in this, so I got a 10-sided die. Let's use that. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 through 0. 0 would be the 10. Boom, there it is. All right, here we go. And this roll is a 6. So this box is in. All right, and this will go 1 through 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I roll a 0, I'll re-roll it. 9! Woo! Just made it. So box 9, the bottom one, actually. Okay. All right, I'll set these over here for the other breaks. All right, so here it is. It's MultiGraphics. They call it a basketball product, but you can see right there's some other guys. You know, some LSU, some college ties, and city ties. There's going to be potential here to land a pretty unique combination autograph. So anything with Jerry West on it, you know, I'm going to be. Michael knows I'll be very interested. All right, let me see how these are packed in there. Okay, I don't really want to look, so I'm going to do this. Don't want them to be... Don't want y'all spying on them, and I don't want to spy on them either, so... There we go. Yeah, of course, they are encased. So 2 cards. So you will... We're going to have more misses in this than, of course, Vivid, but greater upside. about right. I got all these little foam things from Topps Chrome Black so we can use them. Whoop. And whoop. Okay. All right, y'all ready? Do 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 do. It's all based on the serial number. So I'm gonna, if I can catch it, I'll save the serial number for the end. But we'll see. So this says, whoa, guys, this says quads. Quads conference, whatever quads conference might mean. So we might be looking at 4 autographs. One is G.G. Jackson. G.G. Jackson's paired up with Brandon Miller, who's paired up with Iverson Molinaire, who's paired up with Kennedy Chandler. Quad autograph. And your number is on the back, 32 out of 35. Number 2, Wyatt, you got it, man. Jackson, Miller, Molinaire, and Chandler. Nice quad piece. Serial number 32 to the left of the slash. So number 2. Wyatt, you got it, man. See, I thought it was the old Brandon Miller. See, I don't know much. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. Legacy Gold. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think, guys, look at this. Is that a Bill Russell? It is a Bill Russell Legacy Collection. Oh my goodness. On card autograph. There he is. Kaboom! Oh my goodness. 1 of 1, Lee. 1 of 1. That's big time, man. That is big time, Lee. Congratulations. Wow, what a card. That's an on-card signature of the late, great Bill Russell. 1 of 1. Holy cow. Holy cow, man. That's awesome. Oh, man. Lee Dub! Lee Dub! Oh, boy, if he's live, he might be running around the house right now. That's a pretty special, meaningful card right there, man. Wow. One of very few Bill Russell autographs I pulled. I know I got Bill. I think I've hit him a couple times, maybe in the old National Treasures products, maybe Immaculate, but man, this is pretty cool, man. So Bill Russell mixes in. Yeah, that's a pretty serious return on spot price, ROSP. Wow, that's a good looking signature too, man. I think that signature would probably 10. Y'all know who Bill Russell is, right? I don't see one chat about that card. Am I missing something? Like, wow. Okay. It's Leaf. Oh. All right. Wow. All right. MultiGraphics. Meteor. All right. Serial numbers on the bottom. Sorry, I got pretty excited about that. That's pretty cool. All right. Omaha Bilou. I looked this kid up, man. He's pretty dominant. Going to Iowa State. And Meteor Showers, there he is on that side. It's number 1 again. Lee, you got this card. Unbelievable. Lee, do you want to... Oh, on the other side is Matas Buzelis. So Meteor Showers, there's the card on the front. So that's actually the back, darn it. Buzelis, another key player into this the new class. And then Omaha. So, wow. Lee, you got 2 cards now. Congratulations. I'll mark that one in the back. And the other one, let's see, got another blue. All right, Kofi Cockburn. Kofi. Kyle Filipowski. Hunter Dickinson and Khalil Ware. And, whoa, there's 4 more on the back. Enoch Bouquet, Jackson Kohler, Zach Edey, and Matthew Filipowski. You got Kyle and Matthew Filipowski, and our serial number is, it's a 6. Going to Ralph, number 6, 36 of 40. Ralph, you got that one, my man. 8. They call it the Octographs. Yes, they do. Octographs. Man, oh man, Ralph, congrats. That's pretty cool. I've heard of those guys. I don't know that much off the top of my head on them, but anyway. All right, let's see where that team bag is. I'm still pretty excited for you, Lee. Man, that's awesome. One of them, Bill Russell. I don't know if all of the cards are one of ones, but it's the gold that stands out. All right, hey, congrats to those who hit there, and thank you all for taking a shot on that first group. Got some more of that nice stuff, man. Thank y'all. All right.